So I saw WISE originally on some of the bigger players' websites in our industry, and it really got me thinking, okay, maybe there's something here before I really knew what WISE was. We were an untrained industry before WISE, and WISE coming through and really filling in the gaps with definitions and training guides and ultimately a certification program. To me, it was a winner for not only our shop, but as well as the customers, because ultimately the quality of service is much higher because of that. WISE has afforded us many opportunities with OEM partners, Apple IRP's program, which we're a part of, and Samsung's ISP program that we're a part of. Those two programs in particular allow us to offer parts that are genuine. Being able to explain to customers on a daily basis that the part that you're getting for your iPhone is the same thing you would get at an Apple store using the same exact tools with our own Apple certified technicians has really been a game changer for our community. It really goes to show that the big players in our industry are recognizing this certification and recognizing that there's value behind it. It's a legitimate industry-backed certification that's recognized by the biggest players that are making these devices.